pumpkin pancakes, pumpkin smoothie, pumpkin pies, pumpkin cheesecake, and pumpkin spice latte. To make all of this, you need pumpkin. But wait! You can't use or you can't make all of that with just raw pumpkin. You gotta make homemade pumpkin puree from scratch. 2 easy ways that you need to know. Let's get started. We are not just going to make pumpkin puree from scratch, but also look at 5 benefits of pumpkin puree. And if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to Alchemy. Choose a pumpkin that is available to you. Not everyone can get a pie pumpkin, so it doesn't matter if you don't get one, because the last time I checked on the internet, there was 142 varieties of pumpkin. So for this demonstration, I picked the pie pumpkin. Once you remove the stalk, make a cut to split the pumpkin into 2 halves. Let's look at benefit of pumpkin puree. Number 1. Vitamin A. 1 cup of pumpkin puree has 245% of the recommended dietary intake. Vitamin A is important for normal vision, immune system, and reproduction. While doing this, I made an absolute mess in the kitchen, and there was pumpkin seeds everywhere, literally on the floor. Oh no. Oh, look at those tiny pumpkin seeds inside. Now use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and do not discard them, as they are very nutritious, and when roasted, wow, they taste amazing. What you see here is the hull or the outer covering of the pumpkin seed. Preheat the oven and place 1/2 of the pumpkin and bake them at 380 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Benefit of pumpkin puree. Number 2. Pumpkins contain antioxidants such as alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and beta-cryptoxanthin. These can neutralize free radicals, stopping them from damaging our cells, and thereby may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Let's look at how to make pumpkin puree without oven. One of the options are to steam it. Cut them up into 4 slices, which can help to steam them faster. Steam them until they are cooked, which could take between 10 to 15 minutes. The baked pumpkin is ready. How do we know if it's cooked well? Well, slide a knife through it and it should be soft. You must be able to peel away the outer skin if it's well cooked. Now be careful while doing so, as we baked it at a high temperature. Keep this aside and let's check on the pumpkin which has been steaming. Benefit of pumpkin puree. Number 3. May protect your eyesight. It's quite common that eyesight diminish with age. In an analysis of 22 studies, it's been discovered that people with higher intakes of beta-carotene had a significantly lower risk of cataract, which is a common cause of blindness. Just like baked pumpkin, you must be able to remove the skin easily using hands. Or better, use a spoon to scoop the pumpkin. Blend these once it's cool. Let's get back to benefit of pumpkin puree. Number 4. Low calorie count may promote weight loss. How? Because pumpkin just provides 50 calories per cup and consists of about 94% of water. It's high in fiber, which can help curb our appetite as well. If you've been getting some value from this video, why don't you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so that YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. And hey, what is your favorite pumpkin recipes? Link them down or suggest some recipes that I could try. We are down to the last benefit of pumpkin puree. Number 5. Pumpkin contain compounds that promote healthy skin. Carotenoids in pumpkin, like beta-carotene, can act as a natural sunblock. Now pumpkin is also high in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin, as our body needs this vitamin to make collagen, a protein that keeps our skin strong and healthy. If you're left wondering, what do I do with those seeds? Well, you could roast them down and use it in this pumpkin seed recipe, which by the way was my first YouTube video. Or try making pumpkin seed milk, which is super nutritious and where we also talk about 5 benefits of pumpkin seeds. And until next time, see you later and stay safe.